As a young professional at Woodard Curran, I see incredible value in our internship program for our upcoming talent and for our project teams. Our summer interns get hands-on experience in their field of choice, helping them learn more about the career paths available. But don't take my word for it, hear what some of our recent summer interns had to say.
The things I learned in school and the things I learn here at Woodard Curran, the crossover is about 5%, so I've really had the opportunity to learn a lot about what is involved in completing a project, even starting a project, every single step in between the way. Everyone at Woodard Curran has really taken the time to give me answers to my questions. Each conversation that I have with really everyone here gives me new insight on things in the engineering world, and I've really been able to learn a lot from those things.
You get the chance to do a lot of different types of work and learn a lot of different skills that are very applicable for the internship and also very applicable for future careers. The one thing that I wasn't expecting was just how important water infrastructure is to just the well-being of a community. Many times I've looked down a sewer, which was not something I was expecting to do on the job. And you know, it was a little bit gross, a little bit smelly, but it was just really important and really cool to see kind of how the pipes and everything work to make sure that, you know, when you flush a toilet, it washes out properly and we get clean drinking water through our faucets and things like that.
As interns are working on projects across the country, whether in our offices or conducting fieldwork, they are mentored by our people every day. I'm very proud of our company culture and the work we do here at Woodard Curran, so serving as a mentor to interns for the past 2 summers has been a really rewarding aspect of my job. It's always exciting to introduce interns to the work we do and rewarding to see them grow into their role. It's refreshing to hear their perspectives and answer their questions, but at the end of the day, the connections our interns are making will stick with them as they head back to school.
Neil's been great. He's taught me a lot of the ins and outs of exactly what the electrical side of Woodard Curran can do, and a lot of real-world experience as to what I should be doing and what I should know. In the classroom, they're going to try and teach you everything all at once, but once you start here, you learn what you need to learn, and yeah, your school will help, but staring at it on a screen at school is a lot different than having your hands on a project and actually influencing the way that it turns out.
I probably couldn't do half of the stuff without Jacob. He's helped me through so many different things. Something as simple as like how to use the coffee maker, which has been super helpful, but to such as big things like I'm struggling with a deadline that's coming soon with one of my GIS projects and realizing that I didn't have as much time as I thought, and him being able to help me speed up the process or even take some of the work when it's needed has been super helpful. You know less than you actually think you know, and that if you don't ask questions, you're not going to find the answer.
I have 2 mentors who are both really helpful. Having people that are kind of close in age as your mentor makes it feel a little bit more accessible. Like, I feel like our relationship was very much like, if I was confused, I wasn't afraid to like ask them questions and like just get advice, sort of professional advice outside of just work completion advice. That is something that is really important.
It's awesome to be a part of a company that's doing what's best for our communities, and that includes helping the next generation of talent who share in Woodard Curran's mission, vision, and values. Being able to see all that our interns have learned this summer during their final presentations is proof that we are sending this group back to college with a career-building experience they won't soon forget.